Hello everyone, good morning. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all and welcome back to Evergreen Garden. These are moss roses plant and I have many colors of moss roses. Today we gonna talk about a very heat tolerant plant or a summer loving plant is called Mexican petunia. See, these are 9 o'clock flowers. I have many shades of pink. One of my viewers asked me, "Ma'am, how many pink shades you have?" So I have 3 to 4 pink shades, dark pink, light pink, and they are blooming in the morning and looking so beautiful. See, in this monsoon season, they are blooming heavily. Okay friends, let's start the video. Mexican petunias are vibrant, showy plants that are drought and heat resistant. They add easy color to a sunny spot but also do well in shade. They grow well in containers and their aggressive growth makes them perfect for filling in bare spot in your garden. It is a plant that you can propagate easily. I have propagated 3 or 4 plants. I have propagated from this mother plant. See how beautiful is this. Depending upon your climate, these shrubs can be grown as a hardy perennials or as summer annuals. Once established, they will deliver constant blooms from May through November. Here are some other noteworthy facts. I have Mexican petunia in purple color. As you can see, I have purple color only. They heavily blooms in the morning and in the evening they just drop out, the flowers drop out. Mexican petunias do not require any pruning, but pulling off dead flowers and leaf will keep it looking its best because it can be invasive. Many gardeners pull off the seed pods in order to prevent self seedling and to keep an eye out for new growth emerging from the shrub's underground root system. As far as soil is concerned, as the Mexican petunia will grow in both dry or wet soil. The soil quality isn't terribly important for this plant. It will grow in almost any condition, including poor quality soil, but for best results, you should use a well draining and fertile soil. The only soil a Mexican petunia may have a problem with is very acidic soil. So if your plant is struggling to grow, you should consider checking the pH of your soil in case this is the reason. Now let's talk about the sun or the light requirement. Mexican petunias thrive in full sun. When allowed to grow in these conditions, they will produce an abundance of flowers. They will also grow in partial shade. Though plants grown in a partial shaded position may experience less flower development than those grow in full sun, as the plant is not sensitive to heat, the time of day when the Mexican petunias gets direct sun is not important. Though in general, sun in the morning and shade in the afternoon is preferable when growing a plant in partial shade. If you grow these plants in containers, you have the option of moving them throughout the year to a full sun position during summertime. Then a more protected and potential shaded position during cooler months. Aside from flower production, The other way Mexican petunias are affected by light is with the color of their stems. In bright light, their stem will be purple, while plants kept in partial shade will have bright green stems. The plant has the greatest water requirements immediately after it has been planted when it is acclimating for its new environment. Mexican petunia is resistant to diseases, pests and animals, and these are extremely hardy plant. Thank you friends.